Okay, so now let's look at the pen tool itself. And so we've already drawn some shapes here. Let's delete these shapes. I'm going to grab my black selection tool and just delete these shapes. And to help me with understanding the pen tool, I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to turn on my grid. I'm going to go down and choose Show Grid, which is going to paint a grid down over the screen. And the first thing we're going to do is use the pen tool and use the point and click method, where I just click, move the mouse, and click again. I'm not holding down any of the buttons. I click, move the mouse, and click again. So I'm going to click and then click again. Now, you'll notice that there's kind of like a rubber spring type of thing going on here. And the idea is that if I want to deactivate that that pen tool, I can hit the escape key on the keyboard. That'll let me out. And I've created a shape. In this case, it's a straight line. Grab my black selection tool, click away, and there's my shape. I'm going to grab the pen tool, do that again, click, and click again, and then hit the escape key. And you'll notice that the shape is still selected. You'll see that there's nodes on either end. If I wanted to continue, I could click into that original node and then keep working. Okay. Now I can draw with the shapes filled or with the shapes not being filled. I'm going to go up, I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to hit undo, and I'm going to go up with the pen tool. I'm going to take the fill over here and set it to none. Now, so that's the first way to draw with the pen tool, is just click and then move the pen tool and click again. So I'm going to make a box this time. I'm going to click, click, move down, click, move over, click, and now I come back and click back into the original node, and I've closed that shape. So when I'm working with the pen tool, I can make two types of shapes, an open or a closed shape. Grab the pen tool, I'm going to click, click again, come up and click, and then I'm going to hit the escape key. So this shape is closed and this shape is open. Okay. Now if I wanted to go back and close that shape, I could grab my pencil tool, I get this /, click into the node, then go over and click on the other node. I get the circle for close, and I can close the shape. Okay, so what I like to have people do when they try this part of Illustrator is to draw some letters. So I'm going to draw the letter L. And I know there's already a text tool in here, but I just want you to try drawing some shapes like this. And then I can grab the direct selection tool, grab the node, and arrow key up and down to fix it. Let's say I want to draw the letter T, same kind of thing. I'm using that grid to help me find the places where I need to click. And this is just an exercise for understanding how to use that pen tool. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do the letter K. Okay, there we go. So then I can grab my direct selection tool. I can click into a node or trap the node, and I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard to change where those nodes are located on the screen by arrow keying and moving them up or down, left or right with my arrow keys. All right, let's stop there.